The other night I went to turn on my Canon EOS 60D, and everything works now, so I'm gonna turn it on, everything's gonna work. But when I did turn it on, nothing really came on. I do video a lot, so when you turn on your camera on video, you're gonna hear your mirror flip up to expose the lens. And that wasn't happening. Every now and then this LCD display would come on, but this flip out LCD definitely was not working at all. Something was wrong, didn't know what it was. I made sure that the card door was closed, that the battery door was closed, everything was closed on it, so I know it should be turning on. But like I said, only your upper LCD screen, and maybe even it had some functionality, some things that were just wrong with it. So I thought I was going to have to send this guy off. I called up Canon the next day, and they ran me through a process, and hopefully this process helps you out. So the guy said, make sure your card's out. So take your card out. Make sure your battery's out. Get that door open. He says close everything up. Switch your camera over to the P setting here and turn your camera on, and then you're going to hold down your shutter button for 10 to 15 seconds. So go ahead and do that. Once you've done that, he says turn it off, open up your battery door again, put your battery in, close the door, and now turn it on. And everything worked. My LCD screen worked again, my upper LCD screen worked again. He says go ahead and hit the live view button, and then the mirror flipped up, so everything was working. Flips down again. I was like, great, this is wonderful. So I turned my camera off, I went and put the card back in, and when I put the card in, it did this, it messed up again. So something was wrong with my card. The flip out LCD wasn't working, the lens, the mirror wouldn't flip up again, and then this upper LCD screen was, on the fritz again. So I had to take that guy out. I had to do the whole process over again. I went and I formatted this card. Put it in your PC, your Mac, doesn't matter. Just format it to something. It really doesn't matter, because once you put it back into this camera, it's gonna say the card is not formatted properly for the Canon camera. You need to format it within the camera. And but the fact of the matter is that it was formatted, so now whatever was causing the issue is no longer there. So then you just go ahead and format it, do a low format. So go into your turn on here. You're gonna go into your menu, and you're gonna go to your first tools menu here, go down to format, and right here you're gonna see low format level. Hit that trash can, the trash button. Make sure it's on a low format, and what that does is it's actually going to wipe off the entire card. It's gonna clean the entire card instead of not doing a low format, a low level. It's just gonna kind of restart the numerical count, and it's gonna erase things, but not fully. So low level format, and go ahead and press OK, do that, and your camera should be set, should be good to go. I hope this helps out somebody.